Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a fabulous giveaway that I recently just won from Random Reviews with Stephanie. If you want to see what Stephanie sent me, stay tuned. Now before I open this box, guys, if you do not know who Random Review with Stephanie is, I will leave a link to her channel down below. She is a fellow YouTuber and she also does unboxings and she does a lot of shopping hauls too. So definitely go check her out. Her husband recently just had a big health scare, but from the last I heard, he's doing good and doing great and he's on the mend, so thank goodness for that. So definitely go show her some love and some support. Now, she just recently had her 500 subscriber giveaway. Now she packed it in an Ipsy box and she packed it all very nicely. And she just wrote me a little note and said, thanks for being part of the family and congrats on winning. So thank you. Excuse me, my phone just rang so the video broke up there. I think I was on the part where she just put a little note in the box and she's just telling me congrats on the win and she threw a couple little extra goodies in here. So thank you, Stephanie. And by the way, Stephanie, if you do not know, I love your name. And the reason why is because that's the name of my daughter. Yeah, so a little random fact there if you didn't know that one. Okay, so let's see what she gave me. I know one item that she gave me. She's a big, well, I don't want to give it away yet. Let's just go step by step. The first one is this, and this is a Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. And these are the little stickers that you put on your nails and so you don't have to paint your nails, and I love that design. I saw someone else actually put this on in their video. I wish I could remember who it was, but it looked really nice, so thank you very much. Let me take all this off so you guys can see what she sent me. So there's that. And then a pair of eyelashes. And this is from Baddington Beauty. And this is the 3D silk lashes with mini lash glue. And this is the Harlow ones. And I do not have the Harlow ones. I have the Marilyn Monroe ones and I really like those. So I'm excited to try the Harlow ones. So thank you. Fabulous, fabulous. And she sent a couple of eyeshadow palettes, and this is by Essence, and this is the Air eyeshadow palette. And here are the beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, let me see if I can get that. Oh, she never took the plastic off. So let me go ahead and take the plastic off so I can show you guys the colors. Those are some beautiful pinks and purples, and I love pink and purple eyeshadow. So thank you very much. I will definitely get a lot of use out of that. So let me put the little plastic on there. Looks like I'm gonna have some good eye looks coming up. And then another eyeshadow palette, and this is the water. So that was the air, and this is the water one. And oh my goodness, look at that. All the beautiful blues. You know, I've been wanting to experiment with some more blues. I'm kind of afraid of blues, so this might give me an idea for a video maybe. I might try it and see how it turns out and see if it works for me or not. Okay, so we got two eyeshadow palettes. Oh, we have a third eyeshadow palette. And this is the Earth one. So a whole set, air, water, and earth. And of course, oh, how gorgeous is that? That's very everyday wearable color. So I definitely will be using this too. So we have air, water, earth, 3 eyeshadow palettes. Like I hold up 2 threes. And then the next one out is this, which is a Tony Moly Intense Care Hydrogel Mask, Gold 24 Karat Snail. And I've heard about Tony Moly, so yay, I'm glad to finally get to try this out. Maybe I'll do a video on that one too, who knows? So we'll put that baby up there. And then she sent me this beautiful little blue and white makeup bag. How cute is that? That is perfect for summer, right? And she has something in here, guys. And I think I know what it is. And this is the one I've been so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. This is what she is known for on her channel. Look at this, guys. That's right. She sent me a True Coach bracelet. I am so happy. I mean, come on. And this is, when you go watch her channel, you'll see she has like a backdrop in the back, and she loves Coach items. So of course she had to include a Coach item in her giveaway. So wow, that's really a good win, right guys? So let me go ahead and pull it out and show it to you guys. It is beautifully wrapped. Oh, it's such a beautiful silver bracelet. Look at that. Now let's see if I can find out how to open this. Okay, I see what you do. You just pull on that and it opens up. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous is that, guys? Look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, wow. It's got the 2 CCs on it. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. And you know, a beautiful Coach bracelet. I do not own anything Coach, and my daughter, she is very much into Coach, and she's into Michael Kors. So next time she comes over, I'm just gonna have this on my wrist, and I'll let you guys know if she catches it right away. But she's pretty good. She's got an eye for labels. So I wanna see how long it takes for her to catch that. Hopefully, maybe by the time I upload this video, well, she's at work today, so I know she won't be over here. So maybe if I hold on to this video for a couple days, she'll be over here, and I'll put down at the bottom of the screen on whether she picked up on it right away. Okay, I have something else. Oh, headbands! Yay! I love headbands. Oh yes, I am a big headband person. So thank you very much. Let's look at this. Performance headband. Oh, wow. That is great. And it's got like that little stuff right there, that little sticky stuff, so it doesn't slide off your head when you're working out. So awesome. I mean, what a wonderful giveaway. So definitely, guys, go check her channel out if you don't know her. She is a fabulous YouTuber, and look at all the wonderful stuff she sent me. So once again, thank you so much, Stephanie, and I will let you know what my daughter Stephanie said about the Coach bracelet. Okay, so definitely go check her channel out, guys, and until next time, I'll see you later.
Fun. Yeah.